Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of omega-3 fatty acids, those essential fats our bodies crave but can't produce on their own. You've heard it before, omega-3s are critical for our health, playing a vital role in brain function, heart health, reducing inflammation, and boosting our mood. While it's true that fatty fish are a good source, there's a whole world of plant-based omega-3 powerhouses just waiting to be explored. In this video, we're ranking the best, and let's be honest, the not-so-great sources of vegan omega-3s. So buckle up, grab your grocery list, and get ready to unlock the power of plant-based omega-3s. Let's kick off our list with a true champion of the plant-based omega-3 world, flaxseeds. These tiny nutritional powerhouses are truly remarkable. Just 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed provides a whopping 1.8 grams of ALA, that's alpha-linolenic acid, the plant-based omega-3 that our bodies can convert into EPA and DHA. Emerging research suggests that regular flaxseed consumption can actually increase the levels of EPA and DHA in our systems over time. They're also an excellent source of fiber, which can help regulate digestion, promote gut health, and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, flax seeds are packed with antioxidants, lignans, which have been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers. Coming in at a close second, we have chia seeds. These little nutritional powerhouses were a staple in ancient Aztec and Mayan diets, and for good reason. Chia seeds are another excellent source of ALA omega-3 fatty acids, packing in about 1.9 grams per ounce. These tiny seeds also boast an impressive amount of fiber, a whopping 11 grams per ounce. That's nearly half of the recommended daily intake. And let's not forget about their abundance of antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and protect our cells from damage. Next up, we have a delicious and satisfying source of omega-3s, walnuts. These brain-shaped nuts are not only a tasty snack but also a nutritional powerhouse. Walnuts are a good source of ALA, providing about 0.7 grams per ounce. They're also rich in polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that have been shown to improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. So, next time you're looking for a heart-healthy snack, reach for a handful of walnuts. Let's talk about hemp seeds, a true nutritional powerhouse. These seeds are considered a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need but can't produce on their own. Just 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds provide about 1 gram of ALA. They have a slightly nutty flavor that works well in smoothies, sprinkled on salads, or enjoyed as a standalone snack. Now let's dive into the world of algal oil, a vegan's best friend when it comes to getting direct sources of DHA and EPA omega-3s. Unlike ALA, which our bodies need to convert, algal oil provides these essential fatty acids in their pre-formed state, making them readily available for our bodies to use. Algal oil is derived from microalgae, the very source from which fish obtain their omega-3s. This makes it a sustainable and ethical choice for those who choose not to consume fish. Studies have shown that algal oil can effectively increase blood levels of both DHA and EPA, supporting brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation. Just a small daily dose of algal oil can go a long way in meeting your omega-3 needs. Let's move on to a cruciferous vegetable that often gets overlooked but deserves a spot on our list: Brussels sprouts. These mini cabbages are packed with nutrients, including a modest amount of ALA omega-3s. They're particularly rich in vitamin K, which is essential for bone health and blood clotting, and vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function. So don't be afraid to add some Brussels sprouts to your plate. They're more versatile than you might think. Next up, we have perilla oil, a lesser-known but potent source of omega-3 fatty acids. This oil, extracted from the seeds of the perilla plant, is a staple in Korean cuisine and boasts an impressive nutritional profile. Perilla oil is particularly rich in ALA, with 1 tablespoon providing a whopping 1.4 grams. You can use perilla oil as a finishing oil for salads and soups or incorporate it into dips and sauces. Let's not forget about seaweed, the ocean's superfood. Seaweed, a type of algae, is a staple in many Asian cultures and for good reason. When it comes to omega-3s, seaweed offers a unique profile. While it contains small amounts of ALA, it's actually a good source of EPA and DHA in some cases, particularly certain types like nori, spirulina, and chlorella. You can enjoy it in sushi rolls, add it to soups and stews, or even snack on roasted seaweed sheets. Edamame, those young soybeans often enjoyed as a snack or appetizer, also deserve a mention on our list. While not as high in omega-3s as some other entries, edamame still provides a decent amount of ALA. They're a good source of plant-based protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals, making them a nutritious addition to any diet. Edamame can be enjoyed steamed, boiled, or roasted, and they make a great addition to stir-fries, salads, and grain bowls. Finally, let's address canola oil. Canola oil is often touted as a healthy oil, and it does have its merits. However, when it comes to omega-3s, canola oil falls short compared to the other sources on our list. While it does contain ALA, the amount is relatively low, and it's often overshadowed by its omega-6 content. There you have it, our comprehensive tier list of the best and worst vegan sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Remember, these essential fats are crucial for our overall health. By incorporating a variety of these plant-based omega-3 powerhouses into your diet, you can enjoy these incredible benefits while thriving on a compassionate and sustainable vegan lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips.